Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display on the Oneplus Nord N100 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. The fingerprint button is attached to the back cover. Be gentle when removing the back cover. Next, using a heat gun, apply the heat to soften the glue on the fingerprint button. Take out the back cover and remove the mid-frame by undoing 18 screws from the top and bottom sections. And then, using a plastic cut pry tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to separate the plastic clips. Next, unplug the battery connector on the right hand side. Next, take out the battery. First, loosen the adhesive on the sides and then pull it by the red tab. Be gentle and lift the battery. Next, take out the logic board by releasing 2 connector plugs and 2 antenna heads. Next, apply the heat and take out the earpiece module. Next, move to the bottom and undo 1 screw to take out the cover. Next, move the battery protective tape to the left hand side. And then disconnect and take out the main flex by dragging the adhesive tape to the left hand side. Next, disconnect and take out both antennas from the body. Next, take out the charging port board with the headphone jack from the body. Next, apply heat and take out the vibrator motor. Now, the only remaining part is a broken front screen assembly with the frame and buttons. There are two screen types for the replacement, screen with the frame and screen without the frame. It can be original, used, refurbished or aftermarket. This replacement guide based on the screen with the frame installed, making the process much easier and faster. Next, start placing parts in the frame. First, place the earpiece on the frame. Next, place the logic board in the frame. Ensure the placement is secured and connect the LCD plug to the board. Next, place the main flex. Next, place the vibrator motor in the body. Next, place the charging port board in the frame. Next, place both antennas in the body and then connect them by both ends. Next, connect the main flex from both ends and then move the adhesive strip and protective tape to the right hand side. Next, place the battery in the body and then secure adhesives. Next, place the charging port cover and secure the screw. Next, secure the battery connector and place the mid frame by adding 18 screws and the SIM tray. Make sure all clips are fastened. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.